Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Let's get right to it. Wait, my wheel's gone. My batteries are still here. Wow. Look at that sucker. Got the magnets isolated from the metal. Got this isolated, and I got this isolated from that. Let's go ahead and check continuity. Touch them both together. Get a ring. And touch the magnets and touch the metal. Nothing. Touch that metal. Nothing. Touch the upper metal. Nothing. We have made it. Magnet to magnet. Continuity. No continuity. Nada. Now let's check this out. Continuity over here. And continuity over here. This ain't touching good enough. Should be continuity. Why? These two bolts should be continuity. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I got a lot of insulation, a lot of rubber packed on the top. I still have to cut that rubber off here. I started cutting it off there, cleaning it up. I still have some adjusting. I just had to carry it over, set it over here. And 24 poles. Strong poles too, by the way. Look at this. No jokey there, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's got some strength. Got some strength. So I still gotta get all this right. So this guy over here. Now, a couple things I want to show you real quick. Got your north, got your south, got all your poles. Nice and strong. The other thing is, I added these bolts, and you got two bolts in there. And this bolt over there is leaning towards this one here. Let's check it. That's a north pole. Let's go ahead and check it itself. It's a north pole. So we're bringing a north pole into the center of this magnetic array, which you can just probably say that we're kind of making a mechanical atom, if you want to say. Over here we have a bolt, and that's over here to the north. Let me see, let's check this one. I think we just did the north. This one here is north, south. There you go. South. Over here, south. Now let's bring this one over here and check that. Got north. And you got north. So you got north and south now inside the center area of this magnetic array. So what do we have here? We have the start of some cool stuff, I'll tell you that. Very, very strong. I can't wait to get this thing tight, 100% round. I got my two keeper bars over here to the iron, and even that iron to the ground is reacting. Okay. See that? So now we're talking, this is the induction to the ground. Just saying, guys. There you go. Magnetic induction to the ground. The pipe is reacting. So that means there's a field, magnetic field in here that's going straight down with an 8-foot grounding rod. Grounding rod has iron in the middle and copper around the outside of it. So it's an inductor as well as a great conductor on the outside because of copper. And on top of that, let's talk briefly about the magnetic rays of our planet. So basically you got a north-south pole in our planet, and then everywhere on the ground surface is straight vertical magnetic lines, okay? Extreme amount of a bunch of them. Well, the pipe just happened to be vertical as well. So think about how the pipe itself becomes a let's call it a reactor, because it's reacting. So we're going to call it a reactor, but it's a satuable reactor. You guys get me? You feel me? A satuable reactor, because the pipe is the connection to the ground. The pipe's reacting, well, that means the ground's reacting to the pipe, is all I'm saying. And we don't even have a core in there. Remember, not this pipe, but the other two pipes is going to have the cores. This one I just dilly-dallied with and sat there. But that doesn't mean I can't do the same array in there. But I didn't have intentions of doing it on this pipe. But I wanted to have the magnets react. I would say this pipe more is our driver, because this wheel should be able to turn itself. So with the spools we're going to be making and wrapping wire around here to really increase the magnetic strength, the magnetic strength is going to pull itself to the keeper bar, and the keeper bar is going to be reacting off of what's going on in the core of this. It's going to have a coil and then a core. So, but we're really talking about one of those pipes. But, well, I guess this pipe as well would have a core and a coil. So the outside casing end here is the opposite pole as the inside core. So that would alter these keeper bars, the poles. Time to get back at it. You guys leave your comments. Hopefully you enjoy.